want to be investing your money into an industry where the money is moving into, not where the money is moving out of. Because you want to invest in an industry that is going to be worth a lot more money in 5 years or 10 years than today. But now the question is, well, how do you actually analyze these types of financial trends? And this is one of my favorite parts. It's studying what's happening in the markets. Now, there's no secret sauce to how you can do this. This is studying things like, where are consumers spending more money? Like, are there changes in habits that are causing people to spend more money? Is it a change in regulations? Are laws changing which have made certain businesses benefit? Are there new innovations that have come out which have created new opportunities for businesses to make more money? Or are there shifts in how angel investors or venture capital investors, early stage company investors are investing their money? Because that can also show you new financial trends. So what you want to look for are these types of trends. And let me just give you a couple examples to get your brain jogging of what this looks like. But I got to give you another disclaimer. I'm not telling you what to invest in. This is just some research that my company Briefs Media did, because we publish a weekly report called Market Briefs Pro, where every week my team is publishing these types of financial trends. Again, we're not telling you what to invest in. We're providing the financial research to be a foundation for your investment knowledge. So let's go through a couple examples just so you kind of get an idea of what this looks like. So this is some data and some charts that we published in Market Briefs Pro, and what we saw is that obesity has been rising in the United States steadily, along with diabetes, which has been rising steadily in the United States and across the world. With this rise of obesity and diabetes have come more FDA-approved weight loss drugs, which of course means that certain companies are making more money. For example, we can see companies like Eli Lilly, who has a big presence in the diabetes market and the diabetes drugs market, have made a lot of money through this increase in people who have diabetes. Again, this is kind of a short synopsis of things you want to be thinking about when you're researching financial trends. Is you want to see what is causing money to move into new industries. We see that more people are gaining weight, more people are having diabetes, which have led to new innovations and intellectual properties, which have led to some companies making more money. Let me give you one more example so you can kind of think through the things that I'm talking about. This is another report that we published in Market Briefs Pro, and what you can see is that sports betting has become legal in more states across the United States over the last number of years, which has led to the revenue from sports betting, legal sports betting, to explode over the last 5 years. And of course, there are certain companies which have attracted larger market share than others, which has created, again, a new financial trend. Now, the goal here isn't just to find a random trend and dump your money into a company in that trend. It's to identify a financial trend that you agree with, that aligns with your morals, that is legally feasible, that's financially feasible, and then to make an educated decision, to analyze those investments, study that investment. Does it make financial sense? Is it undervalued? Is it overvalued? Study the financial statements, and then make sure you're financially prepared to capitalize on that investment. That's what makes a good investment opportunity. Now, for those of you that are wondering, yes, you can join Market Briefs Pro. There is a cost to join it. However, because you're watching this video, you also have the opportunity to get a free trial to try it out for yourself. So if you want to try out Market Briefs Pro with a free trial, you can try it out for 10 days. I got the link for you to join down in the description below. If you like it, after the free trial, it's $37 a month after that. But if you don't like it, well, you don't lose anything because you can try it out for free with the free trial. So if you want to check it out, I got that link for you down in the description. But this is where, if you want to identify good investment opportunities, you want to pay attention to all these three things. And then one part that I did not mention that you have to understand is you want to be a long-term investor. That's the key here. I can't tell you how many times I hear people say, oh, I threw my money into an investment and then the markets go down the next day. Well, guess what? Markets go up and markets go down. That's one thing that markets will always do. In fact, let's take a look at this one more time. How do markets move? Well, over the last 100 years, we've kind of seen markets move like this. Yes, over the last 100 years, markets have gone up overall, but you can see there are market crashes, there are recessions, there are dips, there are corrections. That is a part of the system. Nothing will go straight up forever. And so when you are investing, you got to remember that your goal is to be a long-term investor. I am not a trader. I don't understand how trading works. Trading is a very different game. Nothing that I'm talking about has to do with trading. What we're talking about is investing for the long term, owning good companies, owning good investments for the long term, which is years or even decades, because that allows your investment to really compound and grow. That's where the real wealth is, and that means you have to understand the psychology of investing, which is markets go up, markets go down. But over the long term, we have seen the economy grow, we have seen the stock market grow. Over the long term. Have we seen recessions? You bet. We saw a recession in 2020. We saw a recession in 2008. We saw a recession in 2000. We've seen a recession every decade for the last century. Yet, markets have gone up despite that. Yet, these downturns have built more wealth than anything else because they create buying opportunities. But that requires you to be financially prepared, be financially educated, and be able to capitalize on the financial trends. If you enjoyed this clip and you want to continue your financial education journey, I have another video that I think you'll love. All you got to do is click that button right over there. And for those of you who want to stay up to date on the top finance and business news, you can join Market Briefs, my free financial newsletter, by clicking that button below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.